Golden State Warriors versus Memphis Grizzlies. December 5, 2025 sa Pilipinas, ginaganap naman ang laro sa Chase Center, home court ng Warriors. Warriors wins the game 121 to 113. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Stories of Uncle Paeng. Comment, like, and share, and have a nice day. Thank you for watching.